There are many symptoms of swollen eyelids that people should be aware of. Irritation of the eyes, blurry vision, excessive teary eyes, redness of the eyelids, dryness, and pain can be caused by certain infections. Thankfully, there are many natural remedies that can heal swollen eyelids. These natural remedies are easy to do. Here is a list of natural remedies that can treat swollen eyelids. 1. Cucumber. You can take a cucumber and slice it into thin circular slices. Keep them in the refrigerator for a while. Use them to cover your eyes and keep them on for 15 minutes. The coolness from the chilled cucumber slices can help in constricting the swollen blood vessels. Vitamin C and caffeic acid are effective in treating both irritated skin and swelling. 2. Coriander. Coriander is a medicinally important herb with a gamut of medicinal properties. It can provide a cooling touch to irritated skin and help treat this eye ailment. You can take some coriander seeds and tie them to a piece of cotton cloth. Soak it in water and leave it aside for a few hours. Use this water to wash your eyes. You can also apply this coriander bag to your eyelids for 15 to 20 minutes. This treatment can also effectively help in reducing the swelling of the eyes. 3. Egg whites. Egg whites contain pure protein in them, which is known for their skin tightening properties. Also, it can help in reducing swelling. You can take 2 egg whites in a bowl and whisk them till you achieve a visible consistency. You can use a soft piece of cloth to dip in the mixture and use that to apply the mixture onto your eyelids. Leave it on to dry and then wash off your eyelids. You can do this daily until you get rid of the problem. 4. Water. Sometimes, when the body is dehydrated, it can retain water in the eyelids, which can cause puffiness. Drink at least 8 glasses of water to keep yourself hydrated and to induce urination. 5. Black tea bags. Black tea is a wonderful beverage that has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Tannin is a major constituent of black tea, and it is the reason behind its anti-inflammatory properties. Please take a few tea bags and boil them in water for some time. Now, you can store these bags in the refrigerator for some time. Apply these bags to your swollen eyelids for 15 to 20 minutes. This will help in reducing inflammation as well as in soothing irritated eyes.